Hi, Shauna Riggers, Managing Attorney at Arizona Family Law Attorneys, and today I'd like to give you some information on the Support Clearinghouse. Most of the time people call it the Child Support Clearinghouse, but spousal maintenance can also be paid through the clearinghouse. I like to use the clearinghouse instead of having my clients send child support or spousal maintenance checks directly to the other side because they keep an exact record of when the payment was received, basically like a bank account. If there's any questions or discrepancies, you can go back to their log. Sometimes they make mistakes, so it's always important to keep a copy of any checks that you send out, but most of the time people's payments are done through automatic wage assignment through their employer. So you're going to have some backup either way. Recently, the clearinghouse fee changed, and it is now $8 per month to use this service. Again, I highly recommend using this service because it's going to be a lot easier to track down your payments. And sometimes the court will consider a direct payment to the other side a gift and not child support, and paying through the clearinghouse is going to avoid that issue completely. If you have questions about child support or the Child Support Clearinghouse, feel free to give us a call here at Arizona Family Law Attorneys, where we provide peace of mind as there is no substitute.